So to start off, we're going to create a pretty terrible sounding guitar. Now, taking a look at that main layer, and dear lord, to be completely honest, I don't know what's going on either. Just start with one of these bad boys and chop it up from there. Once we've got that out of the way, it's pretty much a matter of copying the bass notes and cranking that 808, and you're on your way to a viral TikTok song. Sheesh, that really fired up my track. Anyway, chuck a kick over it and put a clap in, believe it or not, the same spots everyone else uses. With the open hat, just smash out a fill each 4 steps and call it a day. With the real hats, pretty basic, except these lower notes are now your perks, because who's got time to drag in another one shot to the channel rack. Finally, it's time to automate how atrocious the guitar sounds. And here's what it should sound like.